Now, this video is specially made for Audi Q3 owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best Audi Q3 bike racks in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike racks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with Audi Q3 so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The Allen Sports Bike Rack is an ideal choice for Audi Q3 owners seeking a reliable and efficient solution for transporting bicycles. Designed with high-quality steel construction, this rack ensures durability and stability. It features a patented tie-down system that securely holds up to 3 bikes, preventing them from shifting or getting damaged during transit. The rack's quick-set carry arms snap into place and fold out of the way when not in use, providing convenience and ease of storage. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the no-wobble bolt that eliminates movement between the rack and hitch. The tilt-away main mast allows easy access to the rear of the Q3 without having to unload the bikes. Additionally, the rack's individual tie-down cradles and padded spine shield protect your bike's frame from scratches and wear. Combining robust construction, user-friendly features, and excellent bike protection, the Allen Sports Bike Rack is a top choice for Audi Q3 owners. Number 2. The KAC Bike Rack is an excellent choice for Audi Q3 owners, combining durability and ease of use. Constructed from high-quality steel, it supports up to 2 bikes securely with its adjustable padded cradles, preventing scratches and ensuring a stable ride. The tilt-away design allows easy access to the rear of the vehicle without removing the bikes. Its quick-release hitch mechanism ensures effortless installation and removal, fitting seamlessly with the Audi Q3's hitch system. Additionally, integrated safety straps and a locking knob enhance security during transit. This versatile and reliable bike rack is perfect for both casual rides and long-distance journeys. Number 3. The Allen Sports Trunk Bike Rack is a superb option for Audi Q3 owners, offering a blend of convenience, security, and durability. This rack is designed to fit snugly on the Q3's trunk, making installation quick and easy without the need for a hitch. It can accommodate up to 3 bikes, featuring individual tie-down systems that secure each bike firmly, preventing movement and damage during transit. The padded lower frame keeps the bikes away from the vehicle, protecting the Q3's finish. The compact, foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. Additionally, the rack's high-quality construction ensures longevity and reliability, even under frequent use. The side straps provide additional stability, enhancing overall safety. Ideal for family outings or solo adventures, the Allen Sports Trunk Bike Rack combines robust construction, user-friendly features, and excellent bike protection, making it a top choice for Audi Q3 owners looking for a reliable bike transport solution. Number 4. The Retrospect Bike Rack is an excellent choice for Audi Q3 owners, offering a perfect blend of durability, functionality, and ease of use. Designed with high-quality materials, this rack ensures stability and longevity, accommodating up to 2 bikes securely. Its versatile design includes adjustable mounting arms and anti-sway cradles, which prevent bike-to-bike and bike-to-vehicle contact, protecting both the bikes and the car's finish. The rack's easy-to-use quick-release system allows for effortless installation and removal, fitting seamlessly with the Q3's hitch or trunk. Its foldable design ensures convenient storage when not in use, making it practical for everyday use. Additionally, the rack features integrated security straps that add an extra layer of protection, ensuring the bikes remain secure during transit. Ideal for both casual cyclists and enthusiasts, the Retrospect Bike Rack combines robust construction, user-friendly features, and excellent bike protection, making it a top-notch choice for Audi Q3 owners. Number 5. The The Maxhall 70210 bike rack is an exceptional choice for Audi Q3 owners, providing a reliable and efficient way to transport up to 4 bicycles. Constructed from durable steel, this hitch-mounted rack ensures long-lasting performance and stability. Its adjustable bike cradles with hook and loop straps securely hold bikes of various sizes, preventing them from shifting or scratching during transit. The rack's swing-down feature allows easy access to the rear of the Q3, even when fully loaded with bikes. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the hitch mount system that fits perfectly with the Audi Q3's receiver. Additionally, the rack includes a padded support arm to protect bike frames from damage. The Maxhall 70210 combines functionality and convenience, with features like a foldable design for easy storage when not in use. This rack is ideal for Audi Q3 owners looking to enhance their cycling adventures, ensuring safe and secure bike transport for family trips or group rides. Thank you for watching. Guys, the buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Audi Q3 Bike Rack, and if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.